Alright guys, so I'm out here with this HASAKEE Q101, and here it is. And let me tell you what, about some branding. Okay, so this thing has got so much branding on it. It says HASAKEE Q101, and it says HASAKEE on, it's printed on every prop. Every prop has HASAKEE. And then it says drone Q10. I said Q101, it's I don't know what the hell I'm thinking. I'm going nuts. The Q10. It even has it on the arms. That's pretty cool. And they even have the little battery information on the side, 3.7 volts. Wow. Okay. Wow. Let's. I'm gonna try it without using the camera and all that at first, because all this Wi-Fi issues I've been having lately. So let's see if we can get it to take off. And we can. And will you look at that? Let's get that third rate going. Wow. Nice little bird there. Oh yeah, look at that thing go. Who cares about the stinking camera? I don't. I'll put the camera on and it'll start going all to hell. Look at this thing. Wow. Crazy sweet. Crazy nice. HASAKEE! Let's check the flips out real quick. Wow, look how tight they were. Look at them cool lights in the front. Real nice. Wow, does this thing fly nice, huh? Holy tamale. Look at that. Boy, you gotta love it. See if I can get it in a little tighter in here and close so you guys can see it. How maneuverable this thing is. Holy cow. This thing is great. Yee-hoo. Now this is what I'm talking about right here, guys. Okay? I mean, please. This is what we're talking about. Okay, so now let's bring it down and turn the app on and see what happens. Let me turn on the Wi-Fi and let's take back off. Well, this one seems to still actually work with the Wi-Fi. HASAKEE! I'll put the time in. So at least this one is actually flying. This is a nice bird here, man. Wow. Nice one. Sweet. So the Wi-Fi doesn't seem to be affecting this thing at all, to be honest. It's flying great, even with the Wi-Fi on, so. Even in that third rate. Now I know I'm not getting any stable video for you guys because I'm zooming around here, okay? Here, I'll hold it a little more still for you so you don't get a headache. But yeah, this thing is great, man. Wow. Very nice little bird. I'm gonna have to keep this one for a while, make a couple videos. Look how stable it is too. I haven't done any trimming. You know, you've heard I haven't hit the trim buttons at all. Just drifting a little bit behind me, but you know, that's not anything that where you need even to bother. Even to, you could just fly that out of there. So it's not affecting the way it steers or any of that stuff. Yeah, this thing's nice. Wow. Big thumbs up on this one, guys. Okay, I'm gonna stop the video. We got 2 minutes. That's good enough for you to see how that looks. It didn't stop though, see? Oh, that was for the camera. Okay, so I stopped. So now all we gotta do is ride out the battery. And I'm sure that'll be going shortly because the battery's not that big. So I'm sure that'll be dying. Let me try a flip. Oh, it's still flipping. So that means the battery's still going. Wow, real nice bird, man. The HASAKEE Q10. Nice. So I still got the FPV view going, so the Wi-Fi is still connected. It hasn't seized up or any of that, you know. It's still working. Look at that, how stable that thing is. And I don't even know what this thing costs. I thought this thing was only like 29 bucks or something. I mean, this is a fantastic toy. Wow. I mean, the video even works. A little bit of jello there. Better call Bill Cosby. Got some jello. But hey, who cares, right? Flying great. Okay, so I'm just like gonna wait here for the thing to run out. I'm actually pretty surprised as that this battery's lasting this long. I gotta be honest. Wow. As nice as this thing flies, and as fast as it is, that battery is still hanging. That's amazing. Absolutely amazing. Boy, I had so many lemons today. I was just like, oh, geez Louise. These things were bad. Oh, there goes the lights flashing. Yep, okay. Let's bring it in. I don't want to ruin the battery. All right, guys. We're going to land it right now. Oh, well. Now the battery popped out. All right, who cares, right? It was a bad it was an error, right? That's what we call that, right? An error? Yeah, that was an error. Okay, listen up. Fantastic, fantastic toy quadcopter. Fantastic. Here's your trims. Here's your headless. There's your photo. I'm not sure what that is. Maybe a calibration or something. There's your takeoff and land. There's your rates are on this side here, and then there's your flips over here. So yeah, wow, great little quad, man. Wow. I'm gonna hold on to this thing for a while. I'll be able to fly that in the house for a while. All right, guys. Yeah, HASAKEE Q10. Give it to me, man. All right, guys. You have a nice day. I'll talk to you later. I think that's it. I'm going home.
That's all, folks.